Hey there, welcome to today's video. Let's dive into a fascinating problem. Imagine you have a class that inherits from dict, and you're wondering why str doesn't use dict. __str___ when dict is earlier in the method resolution order, MRO, of the class. Quite the conundrum, right? Now let's talk about the solution to this problem. It turns out that dict __str__ is actually inherited from object and not implemented by dict itself. This means that when calling strb, the implementation of str left for __str__ starting from the class that comes first in the MRO, which in this case is A. Therefore, A's __str__ implementation is found before object's implementation, giving us the result we observed. In summary, even though dict comes before A in the MRO of class B, A's __str__ method is found before object's implementation, leading to the behavior we observed. And there you have it. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!